Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how safe your money is with Questrade. First, it's important to understand what safe means in this context. It's not about protecting you from market losses, which are a normal part of investing. It's about protecting your assets in case the company itself fails or your account is compromised. Questrade is a member of the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization, or CIRO, and the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, or CIPF. This is a crucial detail. The CIPF provides protection for client assets in the event of a member firm's insolvency. This coverage is for missing property, like cash or securities, and has specific limits. For individual general accounts, such as TFSAs and margin accounts, the coverage is up to $1 million. Registered retirement accounts, like RRSPs, also have their own $1 million coverage limit. Beyond this industry protection, Questrade has its own security measures. They use encryption to protect your information and offer a number of features to help you secure your account. This includes two-step verification, which can use a mobile authenticator app, and alerts for suspicious activity. They also have an online security guarantee, which provides 100% reimbursement for unauthorized transactions that result in direct losses to you, assuming you've followed their security guidelines. In summary, Questrade has multiple layers of protection for your money. They are a regulated firm and a member of CIPF, which provides a layer of insurance. They also have a range of security tools and guarantees to protect your account from unauthorized access. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.